Welcome back. So here is a bit of a problem. We have our home page, but if I click on the About page link, I am taken to the About page, and here is what it looks like. We have lost all of the styles on our header. This is because when we clicked on the About link, we are taken to about.html. That of course does not contain any of our CSS in the HTML document. So what to do about this? We could of course paste all of the styles from index.html to about.html, but this is a lot of repeating CSS, and what if we wanted to change the style of our header? You would have to change it in both places. So what we do here is we create a CSS document. To do this, on the left-hand explorer, let's create a new folder called styles, and then add a file called styles.css as follows. We will now take all of the CSS from index.html and paste it into this new document. Now we will delete the CSS from index.html, including the style tags, and add the following HTML tag as a replacement. This link tag is a standard way to reference an external CSS file in a HTML document. Note that we have added the name of the folder with a / and then the name of the file so that the browser knows where to find the style sheet. To check this, if we now run without debugging, we can see that index.html retains all of the CSS now referenced from this new file instead. We can now simply add the same link tag to the about.html document. We also need to bring across the HTML edits that we made to index.html so that the HTML tags for the header for both pages matches as follows. If we now run without debugging, you can see that because about.html also now contains a reference to our CSS, we have the same header styling on both pages. But look, when we click and swap between the pages, the header gives us no idea about what page we are actually on. It would be great if the current page link was perhaps styled differently, so that it was clear what page the user had navigated to. We will look at this in the next video, where I will introduce the idea of IDs and classes. Do make sure to do the same thing in the projects.html file as we did in the about.html file today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.